We're just leaving, and now it's Nadja's turn to to have puncture hell. Hopefully it's just the one.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna.
It's very typical. We're leaving and then it's.
Yeah. Seems to be a tradition now. We're gonna fix it and then go. We are fucking sick of these tunnels, and we're considering what to do because we can't do 5 more days of roads like these with tunnel before we get to Georgia. There are parts of beach, but they're the seafronts for towns, so other than that it's just boulders. Alright, we're gonna do another few tunnels, and there's a town that we can see along there, and then we'll try and find Wi-Fi because my phone got cut off this morning. Okay, peace out. Hello, apologies about the bad light. We can't find anywhere to stay. We can't really camp because the beach is very populated and very small, and apart from that there's just rocks. Aside from the beach, we're next to huge mountains that are uncampable. Excuse me. All of the paid places are very overpriced. It's still going to be the same case going forward, but we've decided to continue to Trabzon, which is a city about 100k away. We're going to aim to get there between midnight and 1, and then still be overcharged, but it'll be at the end of a long cycle, and it just seems a better option for us. So the filming won't be great. It's going to be on the GoPro on my bike, but yeah, we're about to get off on our way.
We made it.
Yeah, we're in a town that's just before Trabzon. I think we did 120k today.
Like that,
2 flat tires.
3. No,
Yeah.
2 only.
We were looking for a hotel or just somewhere to stay for about 40k, and again it was just like rocky beaches. There were some building sites that we could stay on, but the builders often turn up at like 6 in the morning when I've stayed on places like that before. So
also it was pitch dark. You couldn't really see what you're stepping into.
Yeah.
And
there's a
dogs.
shitloads of dogs over there. Yeah, so.
Morning. We just had a lovely night at a hotel, a cheap one, where we arrived at 1:30 in the morning approximately, so we were very lucky to have a night to begin with. Today we're gonna head to Trabzon and try to find a bike shop and maybe a normal shop as well to get what we need, and then we're gonna just go up ahead and see how far we can get, because we're headed to Batumi.
Georgia.
Batumi, Georgia.
Different day.
We are actually currently having our last dinner / lunch in Turkey. We are very close to the border of Georgia, and it's about an hour drive or an hour cycle away. But to recap today a little bit, we've been cycling for quite a few hours now, and we had a lovely morning because we had an unexpected host yesterday that showed us the way to the pizzeria and then decided that he could host us. We slept at his apartment and he made a lovely breakfast together with his colleagues at his workplace, which was amazing. We'll probably have some clips to show you. We probably have some clips to show you, but
Alright, we'll talk. I think we'll talk to you in a bit. On to Georgia.
I'm a visitor. Good morning.
We just had an amazing breakfast with these guys.
It's a shopping mall construction.
Yeah,
Rize, Şimal.
Bir gün burada da I thought there was a crash. Illegal, but I put the camera on. We're at a petrol station and Nadja just tried to go for a wee. And yeah, normally a petrol station, the toilets at the side of the petrol station. We have here, this is woman and Bai is man. Looks kind of toilety. Nadja walks in and
Fucking mosque.
it's a bloody mosque.
My bad, I didn't mean any disrespect. Didn't pee there, I swear.
You thought that place of worship was a toilet.